As part of our course, you'll be asked to access electronic books from the Muskegon Community College Library. For this course, one of the books you'll have to access is a book called UX for Beginners. Accessing this book without any additional charge to you is pretty easy. Just go to the MyMCC portal, look for the library icon. Now normally this is going to be on the left side of your screen if you're using a desktop computer. When you click on that, one of the items you'll have an option to click on further is the library databases. Then we'll want to go to the O'Reilly for Education database. And you can search for the database, or you can just use this alphabetical index up at the top. I selected O, and you see O'Reilly for Higher Education is the first item that comes up. Now, you will probably be asked for some type of login information. In this demonstration, it's not having me log in because it knows I already have an account. It is possible, if you've had another class of mine where we've used these databases, that you already have access to this database. If not, you'll just be able to log in using your Muskegon Community College email credentials. Now, if you have any problems with this, let me know. One of the first things that will show up on the credentials page is for you to select a college. Now, Muskegon Community College is not listed on that drop-down menu. Instead, underneath the drop-down menu, there will be a link that says something along the lines of Institution Not Listed. Click there and it will walk you through the steps to get authenticated and access to the database. Now, if you have any problems at all, you can either contact me or contact the library and we'll help walk you through it further. But for most of you, it's going to be a very painless setup to get in this far. Once you are into the O'Reilly database, there'll be a search bar up at the top, and you'll want to search for UX for Beginners. Now, for the first assignment in the e-business class related to these ebooks, you're to read 10 chapters of UX for Beginners, and that may seem a bit intimidating. But when you take a look at what makes a chapter, you'll see that it really is pretty simple reading. For instance, this is chapter 3, this is chapter 2, and it scrolls down a little bit. But most chapters are only a page in length. So when I ask you to read the first 10 chapters, don't be discouraged or intimidated by that. It's very simple reading. Just go ahead and start the process. Let me know if you have any problems. I'll be happy to work with you to get you access to any books that are required for our e-business class. Thank you and have a great day.